Hi, I'm Helen Reavey, founder of Act+Acre. Does the product look okay? Today I'm going to walk you through our Restore collection. It's a 3-step system starting with our Scalp Renew, which is just like a facial for your scalp, followed by the hair mask, which brings back hydration and moisture to dry and damaged hair. And then we have our amazing stem cell serum, which protects and moisturizes the scalp. Just like a facial, but for your scalp. The Scalp Renew is a gel-based formula that gently removes buildup, balances oil, stimulates blood flow, and helps with dryness. The Scalp Renew is so easy to use. You're going to apply it once a week before showering. You're going to trace it along the hairline, just squeezing lightly, and then an inch apart. Again, following the hair the whole way down the back of the head. You can also squeeze a little bit out onto your fingertips. And you're going to massage it in. Once you massaged in, you're going to leave that for 10 to 20 minutes. Then you're going to rinse out and double cleanse. The Restorative Hair Mask is a deep conditioning mask rich in proteins, antioxidants, vitamins, and amino acids that help that dry, thirsty, damaged hair. You're going to twist the key, and I usually get a good dollop like that. So you're going to apply it like you would apply conditioner through the mid-lengths and ends, like this. It's the perfect amount of protein, moisture to help really balance the hair, help restore the hair to its natural state, really work it into the hair. But it is so lightweight, so don't worry about using too much. So once you've massaged it all the way through, you're going to leave it in anywhere between 10 and 20 minutes if you're leaving it as a hair mask. If you're using it in replacement of your conditioner, 1 to 2 minutes is perfect because it does work instantly. And then you're going to rinse off and you're going to have a most incredibly hydrated hair. Our cold-processed stem cell serum uses apple stem cells to help reduce hair thinning, scalp dryness, and hair fallout. The stem cell is applied directly to your scalp after showering on cleansed hair. And it comes with this cool little button and pipette. Press the button like that and release the button. Voila! Through your parting, you're going to do 1 to 2 drops, maybe 3. 1, 2, 3. And do the same on the other side. So I'm using probably about 3 to 4 pipettes for the whole scalp. Make sure you get a little bit around the crown area and back. It helps fight against sun damage and pollution. It's so nice and hydrating and so smooth. Actually, you can even put it all over your face. So once you massage that in, you're going to style your hair however you like. Your scalp is going to feel super hydrated, relaxed, and it's going to feel like you just left the salon. So here's the finished look. We have done our scalp treatments, we've done our hair mask, and my hair is feeling incredible. My scalp feels so soft. It feels so hydrated. My roots are so voluminous. Look at the volume in there. It feels so clean, so lightweight, and super hydrated on the ends. And I love the shine that I've got back into my hair.